Watch this video and learn how to draw a Valentine's love potion.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Hello, little Arties.
Oh, you seem to be in a very good mood, Artie.
Yeah, Artie's in a very good mood.
Well, I'm so pleased. What would you like to do today, Artie?
Artie want to drawing.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Well, go and get your paper and your markers.
Yeah. Okay.
Good day, little artists!
Hey, little artists, how's it going?
How are you doing, Mikey Marker? Okay, Artie, are you ready to start? This is going to be a fun one.
Yeah.
Just in time for Valentine's Day.
I get so happy when Artie is about to start. Don't you, Mikey?
I sure do, Betty.
We're going to start by drawing a cork in the top of a bottle. So draw a squished oval shape and then an angled line down on the right and an angled line down on the left. Draw a straight line across at the bottom. Another straight line down below that. That's it. And then let's do a half circle on the left and a half circle on the right. Now we have the top of our bottle with a cork in it. Should we draw the bottle next, Artie?
Okay.
Draw a wavy line coming down from the top of the bottle on the right side. Now, draw that exact same curvy line on the left side, but this time do it as if it's a reflection, the opposite shape. Now add a slightly curved line across the bottom to connect the two sides.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw another squashed oval inside the bottom of the bottle. Now we're going to draw the label on the front of the bottle. We'll draw a big curved shape, sort of copying the shape of the bottle.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
Complete the label at the bottom, go all the way across. That's it, Artie. Now we have a label. Let's draw a heart shape on the front of the label. The left side first, and then the right side. And now we have a heart shape.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Let's draw another little heart on the right and a little heart on the left. Right first, then left, Artie. What's the matter? Dance break? You want a dance break? We're in the middle of the draw. Okay, go on, Artie.
I used to be quite the dancer, you know.
Betty, do you want to dance with me?
Oh, marvellous. Exquisite, actually. Exquisite. I give it a 10. 10 for sure, 10.
What a great dance break, Artie. And Louis gave you a score of 10. Amazing. Okay, come on. Let's finish this drawing. Let's add one final heart to the label. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts. Now let's draw some magical wave shapes coming out of the top of the bottle. One on the right, and one in the middle, and one more on the left. Artie, you're so good at drawing hearts, I think we should draw a heart shape on the top of each one of those lines.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
Another heart in the middle. Should we draw one final heart, Artie? Oh, good. I think it's finished. What do you think, Artie? Are you happy with it? Yay, you're finished. Okay, now there's only one thing left. You've got to colour it in, Artie.
Is it time to color it in now?
It sure is, Betty.
You're finished! Oh, it looks so good, Artie. I love the way you made the label purple and the bottle a darker purple. And of course, you made all the hearts pink.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an Artie day.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.